The famous Japanese car manufacturer Toyota has recently unveiled the third generation Toyota Avenger Veloz MPV in the Indonesian market. The MPV has been built on Toyota's new DNGA platform. The MPV receives a number of cosmetic changes both in interior and exterior than its predecessors. The new MPV will be launched in the global market in the first half of 2022. Though there is no official announcement from the company yet about the launch date in India, we expect the premium MPV will come to the Indian market as a reversed version at the end of 2022, like Artiga-based Rumian, at the expected price between 11 to 16 lakhs ex-showroom. In terms of power, the new Toyota Avenger Veloz is equipped with two petrol engine options, a 1.3-liter 4-cylinder inline naturally aspirated DOHC with dual VVTi petrol engine, which can generate 98 horsepower at 6000 rpm, and 121 Nm of peak torque at 4200 rpm, and a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder inline 16-valve DOHC with dual VVTi petrol engine, which can generate 106 horsepower at 6000 rpm and 137 Nm of peak torque at 4200 rpm. The engines are mated to an optional 5-speed manual or DCVT transmission. Both the engines provide high strength with low center of gravity, smooth acceleration and responsive handling. The MPV is 4395mm in length, 1730mm in width, 1665mm in height and has the wheelbase of 2750mm. In terms of exterior design, the MPV gets an upscale, elegant, sporty design. Up front it gets sleek LED projector headlights with inserted LED DRLs, stylish chrome accented grille with Toyota badging at the center, large black air inlets, bumper mounted vertically placed black inserted LED fog lights housing with decorative chrome trim, updated front bumper and front fork silver skid plate. The side profile gets power heated wall beams with indicated turn indicators, body color door handles, tinted glass, chrome strip at the windows, side body molding, large wheel arcs and new set of optional 16 or 17-inch multi-spoke crystal cut alloy wheels. The rear profile receives sleek LED tail lights which are connected with LED strip running across the boot, Toyota badging at the center of the boot, rear washer, defogger, rear wiper, tailgate integrated spoiler, high mounted emergency braking light, roof mounted shark fin antenna, rear fog lights and black inserted reflectors, updated rear bumper and rear fork silver skid plate. The interior of the SUV has been updated with a number of updated features including the airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials which pushes into luxury territory, new black and white dual tone dashboard setup with dash mounted silver highlighted AC vents, electric power adjustable leather wrap 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted controls, new 7-inch fully digital instrument cluster with multi-information display, new dash-mounted optional 9-inch floating big touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, Toyota Connect features, premium JBL sound system, remote trunk opener, automatic climate control, wireless smartphone charging pad, push-button start and stop, ambient lighting, remote keyless entry, well cushioning ventilated seats for comfortable ride with 60-40 split rear seats, front center armrest and bigger boot space. The MPV has been updated with a number of database standard safety and assistive features to enhance protection and support the awareness and decision making under a variety of conditions and contingencies. The safety features of the MPV includes monocoque structure, ABS with EBD, automatic emergency braking, hill start assist, vehicle stability control, dual front airbags, all seatbelt warning system, pre-collision system, front departure alert, lane departure assist, rear cross traffic alert, blind spot detection system, high beam assist and 360-degree camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.